just come back from Moncoyari in Central Province. Met a very good friend of mine, Marasse, who is a garden man down there. He's got so much banana in his garden, you can't believe it. He's got different kinds, he's got long ones, short ones, thick ones, bad ones, but all there. So he gave me one of his banana from the garden, and I'll bring it down to Pommersby to do something very special for you today. So I'm going to do a fish cake. I'm going to do a fish cake with banana. Banana fish cake. For that lovely, lovely recipe, you will need 200 grams of banana, 1 chili, 1 white onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 ginger, 100 grams of tuna, 100 grams of coconut flour, 200 grams of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 100 grams of coconut milk, salt and pepper to taste. First table, to start that recipe, you have to boil the banana. So I'm going to cut the banana and boil the banana. So it's easy. Get the knife, get the edge off of that one, and peel your banana. I know you people must think I take too much skin off, but I like it like that, when it's not black on it. So we cut the banana like that, quickly, and that's it. So when you finish cutting the banana, peeling the banana, I already boiled some water in advance. So we're going to put the banana into the water to make it a bit softer. So we are, get the banana, put him in the water for about 15 minutes. So what we're going to do, it's easy. Everything will be cut in small pieces and everything go together in a bowl to make a blended mix. I will show you how. I get half an onion, half of it is plenty. I will get cut. I think a quarter onion is going to be plenty. There we are. Don't want to put too much onion in your mix. Nice white onion. Must be coming from, I don't know, somewhere. And we got garlic and ginger. Then I will cut slowly too, in pieces. I want to retain the piece inside, so it's nice and you could have a bite on it. There we are. Put them in a bowl. So we got the onion, we got the garlic, we got the ginger. Already in there. Next, we're going to get my friend the chili up here. Good man, I will take half of it only. I will slice it in half, and I will cut it in half again. Bit of chili, toss it up together, all in a bowl. Lovely. A coconut milk in there. Yema says he loves his coconut milk, and of course he does. So we're going to add all those things together. I need my, that one. So we get a bit of peanut butter, not too much, 1 teaspoon. I don't want to overpower it. Peanut butter go up. I got salt, bit of salt, 2 salt, 1, 2. And I got pepper, 2 pepper, 1, 2. Perfect. And of course, I have something very special. I got a tin fish, lovely tin fish, 150 grams of flour. There we are. And of course, my good friend, the eggs. Thank you. 1 egg going there. Now, that's done. Well, lovely. Banana is ready by now. I've been putting it in the hot water. It's cooked about 15-20 minutes, so we're going to take it out. There's a banana here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to let them cool for a while. So I'm going to remove the spoon on there for 1 minute. I'm going to get my special thing up here. That thing's called a grater. I'm going to put him on top of the things of the bowl, and I'm going to grate my bananas together. Nice sweet. I want a bit of limbs on it, so this is perfect. Don't overcook them, half cooked. Too cooked, it's going to be like a mashed potato. We don't want that. We want something like more like, we might not use the whole banana. We'll see how we go with the mix first. There we are. So we're going to see now what we're going to get on that one. Big piece up here I don't want. Okay, like I said, we might not need the whole banana, so I'm going to see first with that one what we have. What it's going to give us all together. I want a paste, like a paste, something is going to be a bit strong. And that's perfect, I got it already. So there we are. In the meantime, as you see, I put my fry pan on the gas, but I'm not started yet, so we're going to warm it up very shortly, because this fish cake is going to be fried. In the meantime, it's not the consistency you want. You want a bit something a bit sticky like that. The thing is light, but the eggs will put the things together. They will hold everything together. So that's what you want. The mix is ready. I have up here breadcrumb. That's what we have. So if you got anything left over in your house, like all bread, that's what you do with the all bread. You cook it, and you put them in a plastic bag and crush it. And you have your breadcrumbs. Use it for anything you want to do. Here we are, we're ready now. We got the banana fish cake mix ready. So we're going to roll them up on little balls like that, and we're going to flat them up a bit like that. Okay? When they're flat like that, we're going to put in the breadcrumb, one size, and we're going to put them into the plate. We got a little ball like that. Lovely. Flat it down a little bit with your hand, not too thin, okay, because you want to retain a bit of body on it, and you want to retain flavor. And you put it down in your breadcrumb, and that's what you do. Roll them up, breadcrumb it, put them down, that's it. One's there. There we are, uncooked, lovely. Could stay in the fridge, could stay in the freezer, depends. I'm going to warm up my fry pan now to be able to cook them. Not too hot. We got cooking oil up here. Now we put a bit of cooking oil, not too much. And that's it. It's my cooking oil. So I put it back down there. Let them warm up a little bit, not too much. And we're going to start to cook them. The oil has been warmed up for a while, and I'm going to put them in. So I'm going to put them in one by one. Get your hand. Get them one by one inside. That's what we do. Number 2. Four. And number 5. Thank you. That will not take long to cook. We've got 5 minutes in one side, 5 minutes in the other side. There we are. Now the sides are nearly cooked. We're going to turn them up on that side and make sure they cook again. So like I said, 5 to 6 minutes, no more. They'll be cooked. You know, temperature, good oil. Perfect. Good color. Excellent. Lovely. Perfect. There we are. Sorry. You're getting hot on that one. There we are. Lovely. Perfect. Give another 5 minutes and they'll be ready. There we are. They are cooked. Did not take long. 5 minutes in one side, 5 minutes in the other side. Don't put the oil too hot. And the banana fish cake are ready. So I put a little bit of pepper down there because it's yoli. So I make sure we're going to stack the oil before. So it's going to be nice. It's lovely, good for the kids, good for party, good for an afternoon snack. Up to you. There we are, that's ready. Golden brown, perfect. Eat them with tomato sauce, barbecue sauce, or any sauce you want, and it's lovely. Eat them by themselves with a bit of salt on it, even better. There we done. Excellent, look good, bon appetit. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned with us. We got some more special coming for you. À bientôt, au revoir. Up next, we'll be making together the koyari salad.